So we start with taking 1/3 cup of oil or ghee. Ghee is preferred. Next you need to add 1/3 cup of sugar. And the next step is the most difficult part. You have to beat this into an ice cream. You can use a beater. I'm just whisking it using a fork. Just keep whisking it until you make a cream. To this mix now you have to add 1 cup of flour. We're using atta because we're making an atta biscuit. To this add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. If you have baking soda, you can add another half teaspoon of that. And a pinch of salt. Sugar is already there. And the next is some vanilla essence. Like a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And that's about it. Now we'll mix it. You can use your hands to knead this dough because it's going to be like a dough. It's not going to be like a liquid consistency. It's going to be like a dough. And you'll need around 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to make this into a nice dough-like consistency. Now mix the oil, the atta, the salt, baking powder and the sugar. So you see it's like breaking. So it needs really little amount of milk to blend it to an atta consistency. So I'm just adding a little bit of milk. I'm going to knead the dough again. Now my dough is nice and ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make small balls and then set it in the fridge for like about half an hour. So these balls that almost look like aate laddu are ready, and now we're going to keep this in the fridge for around 30 minutes covered. And now I have taken this out from the fridge and flattened these cookies. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I have preheated my oven for an upper lower for 400 degrees Celsius. And then that's about it. And check in the next 9 minutes. So now these cookies are out of the oven. Some a little overdone because I forgot about them. But otherwise they're nice and crispy. And now you can just get them out of this tray and store them.